I think the technology has improved quite a lot over the last 5 years. There is increasing more variety in the availability of broadband services. So with that, more bandwidth being available to the industry, to the vessels, then there are a lot more applications that can be introduced on the vessels to improve their operational efficiencies. The examples are like if they used to do a lot of manual work, but now with more automation, they can reduce the paperwork, improve data integrity by avoiding double entry, paper entry, and then keying into the computer. So with that, I think more accurate information is made available to the shore, and more real-time, more live information is available. They can make better decisions and improve efficiency.
Yeah.
The new generation of seafarers are young and they cannot be disconnected from the internet. So our role is to how to provide very cost-effective internet access, voice access to the seafarers in the ocean. And how we do that is we innovate, we introduce compression technologies. For example, our voice over IP that we use actually use less than 25% of the bandwidth as compared to the more traditional voice over IP that is used by many of the other service providers. So with that, the seafarers can get cheaper communications, better connected to their loved ones at home, and also they can make use of the cheaper communications to do Facebook, to do WhatsApp, to do all the applications that they're so used to. I think in Asia, the ship owners are still pretty conservative in their view on providing better crew welfare. So I think that has to change, and there's a lot more attention to crew welfare in the European market. So with better updates on the importance of crew welfare and how with better crew they can improve their productivity, the operational efficiency, that actually translates into cost savings for the ship owners. I think it is the right moment because the technology has advanced and bandwidth cost has reduced. For example, towards the second half of this year, we will introduce a new broadband service that will halve the cost of what they used to be paying, or use the same capacity at the same cost, double the capacity at the same cost. So with that, then they can implement more IT systems. And also this is the right time actually. They should invest in beefing up their IT systems on board the vessels, and at the same time investing in training of the crew to be able to make use of more IT applications and consider new applications to be deployed on the vessels, because that can save reduce lots of manual work that is right now very prevalent in this industry.
Yeah.
We do see many more companies are coming to us to look at this, and some also is due to regulatory. For example, the ECDIS, the Electronic Chart Display Information System, there's a deadline as to when they have to put the electronic systems on the vessels. And once that is available, then they will need the comms means to the shore to update the maps on the system. So, and besides that, there are other companies that we are working with to implement work assignment systems on board the vessels, implement inspection systems. They used to go around checking the assets and then making a tick or signature. But with technologies now, you can use mobile device to go there, take a picture. With the picture, it has the picture visual confirmation. It is geotagged to the location. So all these are properly recorded and tracked in the system, and that actually improves not just the efficiency but also the safety for the vessels.
Wow.
I think we are at a very interesting period where new technologies are available, cheaper technologies are available, crews are becoming younger, a lot more IT savvy. So that gives the plenty of opportunities for ship owners to really capitalize on all these changes to improve their operational efficiencies moving forward.